Hey, Tulibees. Today, we're diving into something we all dream of, soft and pink lips. Whether your lips need some extra love or you just want that perfect natural tint, I've got you covered with the ultimate lip care routine. I'll be sharing secret tips, DIYs, and pro tricks to keep your lips looking luscious. Daily lip care routine. Hydrate like a pro. Sip on water throughout the day, and trust me, your lips will thank you. The secret weapon? Carry a cute water bottle with you everywhere. Sun damage can make lips look dull and dark. Use a lip balm with SPF every morning, your lips deserve protection, too. Pro tip, keep one in every bag so you're never caught without it. Gentle exfoliation. Forget harsh scrubs, we're going gentle here. Use a soft toothbrush or a homemade scrub, I've got the perfect recipe coming up. Buff away those dead skin cells for lips that feel silky smooth. DIY lip scrub recipes for the perfect pout. Exfoliation is key to keeping your lips soft and ready for any lip color. But why buy expensive scrubs when you can whip up something amazing in your kitchen? First, add 3 teaspoons sugar, half a ton SP honey, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Mix these together. Then apply in circular motions. Rinse off, and get soft lips in seconds. Take 1 teaspoon ground coffee and half a ton SP coconut oil. Mix, scrub, rinse, and voila! Your lips will feel amazing, and that coconut oil will keep them soft all day long. Beetroot is nature's lipstick. Dab fresh beetroot juice on your lips, leave it for 10 minutes, and rinse off. You'll have that soft pink tint with zero effort. Want to make your own lip balm with your favorite lipstick? Here's how. Grab a small container, add a scoop of Vasline, and cut off a small piece of your favorite lipstick. Them together until smooth, then let it set. Moisture in the air. A pro tip. Humidifier in your room can do wonders for your lips, especially in colder months. Keeping the air moist helps prevent dryness and chapping. And that's it. Tulibees, subscribe for more beauty magic.